Hi. I am Preetam. Today I am gonna unbox a parcel from Flipkart. So let's see what's inside. Wow. This is the Samsung S7 Plus tablet that I ordered a week ago. It's finally here. Now let's open the box. This is the tablet. Let's keep it aside and see what else is there. Inside this small box is an ejector pin and some documentations, which obviously I'm not gonna read, ha ha ha. This is a 18-watt charger, but the tablet supports up to 45 watt. And this is the S Pen, which comes free with the tablet, unlike iPads. And a long cable. Now let's uncover the tablet and turn it on. Let's set up and put my fingerprint lock. The S Pen is smooth with almost no latency. The tablet has Snapdragon 865 Plus processor and is very fast. It is the best tablet under 50,000. If you like the video, then please subscribe and share and support our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.